Argumentative thinking. When we talk about argumentative thinking, we evaluate ideas, so we rank, criticize, defend, and conclude after we listen to some facts or we read something. Now, there are types of reasoning which we use to justify our arguments. One is reasoning by authority. This is when we have a source that comes from an expert who is knowledgeable, and of course, then the source or the product is irrefutable. An example of this is the Constitution of the United States allows people to bear arms. The Constitution is one of the most important documents in the United States regarding laws. So if the Constitution permits it, it's legal and it's perfectly normal. The Science Journal says that babies learn faster than adults. Well, I believe the Science Journal because it's written by experts who know what they're saying because they have worked research in the field. I believe that the incarceration situation in Medellin is disastrous because the mayor himself told reporters last week. So if the mayor, who's the head of the city, who runs the city and knows everything about the city, told reporters, I agree, he's right. Now, reasoning is also done by analogy or comparison. This means that we pair up ideas. For instance, criminals go to prison because they committed crimes. So rebel leaders and fighters who have committed crimes against humanity are criminals. So they have to go to jail. Inductive reasoning. Now, when we talk about inductive reasoning, we talk about basing ourselves on simple examples to prove a generality. For instance, John is a man and he likes football. Tom is a man and he likes football. Professor Jones is a man and he likes football. So, if we have trustworthy research studies supporting all these ideas, then we can say that all men like football. We could generalize. However, if we don't, it could be a fallacy. Deductive reasoning. Now, this is when general concepts or principles lead to simple examples. For instance, all women like makeup. So Mary likes makeup because she's a woman, and Jenny likes makeup because she's a woman.